What is the meaning of life? What is it? Do you know? Because I don't know. Actually, the truth is no one knows. No one knows the meaning of life. Now, you can have a choice as to what you choose to believe is the meaning of life, but there's no guarantee that that's the right answer. Because no one knows what happens after we die. No one knows what happens before we die. Of course, there's theories. There's religion that tries to explain what really happens before or after, but the fact of the matter is that no one really knows. A priest that's 90 to 100 years old that lived all that life does not know if 100% that life is the one that he should have lived. No one knows. Actually, we're all full of doubts, and that's natural to have doubts. Actually, doubts are the reason that we strive every day to kind of look for answers. And we come to a point that we settle on what we believe, and then we get really hard on that. And it's hard for us to be flexible because we believe that, and it's hard for us to change our minds. And the older we get, the harder it is for us to change our minds, because life has a different meaning for every single person. Now, maybe there's an afterlife, maybe there's not. Maybe we're just an anomaly of the universe, and we were just here and now we're here living and there's no real reason. Who knows? The fact is that no one knows. So if you're searching for the meaning of life, the first thing to do is just to come to terms that you may never know. You may never find out. Now, a purpose is different, because you may have a purpose and you can choose a purpose. You can choose what is your meaning. You can choose what is that meaning of life right now. You don't have to wait for something to reveal itself to you. You can actually choose the meaning of life right now. You can say, my purpose in life is to help this group of people. My purpose in life is to write books. My purpose in life is to make movies. My purpose in life is to blah, blah, blah. You can make that purpose happen. That's your choice. That's your choice. Now, you will have doubts, because like I said, no one really knows for certain, 100%, what is the true purpose. So that purpose choice is going to come with a lot of doubts and a lot of clouding of your mind and your thoughts, and you won't know if you're making the right decisions. But the important part is that you follow that purpose through, that you follow through, that you finish. Because once you finish, the satisfaction you get from getting something done is bigger than any doubt that you may have in the process. So to find your purpose, to find the meaning of life, you need to just choose that meaning. That's really the only way to be certain that that is the purpose of life, is because once you choose that path, once you choose your purpose, then you become set and hardened in that. And then that becomes your meaning of life. The thing not to do is to try to impose that meaning that you found within yourself upon other people. That's why sometimes I have a problem with religion, because it tends to force you to get in line with a set of beliefs. And maybe those beliefs, maybe you believe a little bit in this, a little bit in that, and that's okay to do. But when religion forces you to just do one thing, that's when I believe they're hindering people from really finding a really true purpose and meaning within themselves. So my suggestion to you is to look around you, see what your passion is, see what you love, and choose that purpose. And you can make that choice like this second. You can say, my purpose is to this, and do that. And you will have found your meaning of life at that time. Also be flexible, because your meaning of life and your purpose may change throughout time. As you get experience, as you become older, wiser, then things start changing, because your perspective changes, and with new knowledge comes new decisions and new options. So stay flexible, yet choose, make a choice. Choose your meaning of life, choose your purpose. You can do that right now. You don't need anybody's opinion to choose it either. You can just go ahead and do it. Just choose it. Your intuition won't lead you astray. You need to make that choice and believe in it, and you're going to end up in the place that you need to be.